TFNN. Headline News Update.
Good morning, everybody. I'm Tommy O'Brien, coming to you live from TFNN headquarters in St. Petersburg, Florida, 9 a.m. Eastern time Thursday morning. 30 minutes to go until the trading day. We got markets in positive territory. Dow futures up 95 points, trading 29,336. S&P futures positive by 10, trading at 33.44. NASDAQ futures positive by 26 at 94.08. Got some action in oil. The 10-year yield sitting at 1.66%. We'll start things off. Here's a chart of your S&P. There you see climbing over those recent all-time highs of about 33.37. We rose to a level of 33.57 overnight, putting this on a shorter time frame, 15-minute bars. There's your run last night at about 1 a.m. Eastern time, 33.57, off that level a bit this morning at 33.43. Jumping over to some of the other markets, we'll start things off with the indices. We'll start it off with the Dow. All the indices up near highs at about 1 to 1:30 a.m. We were up at 29,467 in the Dow, currently at 29,327, so more than 100 points off that high. NASDAQ 100, right at 94.01. We were as high as about 94.60. There's the S&Ps, which we covered to a high of 33.57 overnight. Crude oil, quite a pullback from that 1 a.m. Crude was up at 52.16. We're now down about $1.50 to $50.65. Quite a move. Gold contract, 15.67 so far this morning. And the euro-US dollar right above 110 at 110.01. In terms of what else you have happening, what is driving this market, a lot of it having to do with China having the retaliatory tariffs on hundreds of U.S. goods worth about $75 billion. This coming February 14th effective. And we are also reducing our level of tariffs on 120 billion of China goods. So that coming as that phase one trade deal starts to take effect. Weekly jobless claims data this morning, 202,000 for the week ended February 1st. 9-month low for that jobless number. That's ahead of non-farm payrolls tomorrow morning at 8:30 as the market waits for that number. Coronavirus update. The numbers now pretty staggering. 28,000 plus cases. 563 people have died as that pandemic, you could call it, marches on. In the earnings front, Twitter shares soaring after reporting strong user numbers, and Yum brand stock tumbling because of Pizza Hut. There's your Yum action, down to about 102.78. And in terms of Twitter, TWTR up at 36.13 this morning. Stay tuned, folks. Larry Pesavento coming up live right now with Trade What You See. I'll be back at 10 o'clock with Tom. Live programming all day at TFNN. We'll be right back.